As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Axie cost will hit $20 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $25 toward the finish of 2025. Axie will ascend to $50 inside the time of 2033. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.99, so the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $20.43 and the year-to-year change plus 131%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 156%. In 2024, we hope to see $14.9 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.93. In the last part, the cost would add $0.29 and close the year at $25.22, which is plus 216% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb. $26.804. Tuesday, Feb. $27.809. Wednesday, Feb. $28.814. Thursday, Feb. $29.810. Friday, blemish $1.823. Saturday, blemish $2.828. Sunday, blemish $3.833. Walk $15.891. April $15.41. May $15.1186. June $15.1336. July $15.1461. August $15.1568. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $25.22 to $42.65, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $25.22, then take off to $26.78 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $27.94. That implies plus 250% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $42.65 to $60.96, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $42.65, then take off to $45.21 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $47.75. It is about plus 498% from today. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.86, so the cost diminished by 22% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.12 and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see tailored $43 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $17.71. In the final part, the cost would add $95 and close the year at $18.66, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.66 to $31.55, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.66, then at that point, take off to $19.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.67. That implies plus 201% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $31.55 to $45.10, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $31.55, then take off to $33.44 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $35.32. It is about plus 415% from today. 0115204. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.93, so the cost diminished by 10% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14.36 and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 81%. In 2024, we hope to see 10 at $10.44 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $15.81. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $13.32, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Axie cost would move from $13.32 to $28.89, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $13.32, then take off to $13.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $14.74. That implies plus 86% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $28.89 to $33.55, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $28.89, then, at that point, take off to $29.13 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $30.82. It is about plus 289% from today. Zwanza 1 2 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.72, so the cost diminished by 1% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $17.67, and the year-to-year change plus 100%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 103%. In 2024, we hope to see $12.85 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $18.71. In the last part, the cost would lose $2.33 and close the year at $16.38, which is plus 88% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $16.38 to $35.53, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $16.38, then take off to $17.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $8.10. That implies plus 108% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $35.53 to $41.27, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $35.53, then take off to $35.82 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $37.90. It is about plus 335% from today. 12,150,2023. Axie value expectation 2023-2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6,000. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.27, so the cost expanded by 21% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.84, and the year-to-year change plus 31%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 8%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $9.18. In the last part, the cost would add $49 and close the year at $9.67, which is plus 33% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025-2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $9.67 to $16.97, which is up 75%. Axie will begin 2025 at